What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix unable to start a game in Ubisoft Connect. So you might be wondering, how do you fix this issue here, especially if you want to play a game? Well, first things first is we want to change a few things on our Ubisoft Connect shortcut here. So you want to look for Ubisoft Connect here, right click on it, you want to go to your properties. Now from here, you want to go and go to compatibility, and you want to enable a few things. So first, you want to go and click on run this program in compatibility mode 4 and choose Windows 8. Now you want to go and choose the option here that says disable full screen optimization, and also run this program in as administrator. Now once you've done that, you go and click on apply at the bottom right here and click on OK. Now, in this case, you want to go and run Ubisoft Connect and see if that solves the issue. But if not, you want to go open up your task manager. So you can either search it at the very bottom here or just press Ctrl Shift Escape on your keyboard to open it up. Now from here, you want to go and just search for any app that you have running right now for Ubisoft Connect. So you want to go ahead and just basically select it and right click on it and just choose the option here that says End Task. Now same thing, you want to go to your services here that you see, just scroll down a bit here. Just make sure that Ubisoft Connect is fully closed down in here. Once you've done that, you want to go close this one, just start your PC and open up Ubisoft Connect again and see if that solves your issue. And that's about it. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.